तू जाना लेने, तू लेगा अच्छा रहेगा थोड़ा।
हाय सुरेंद्र भाई।
बढ़िया। आगे
ब्रेकफास्ट इज गुड। आई एम टेकिंग अ हेवी ब्रेकफास्ट।
वेरी वेरी गुड।
का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा।
हैव इट हैव इट।
मैं तो यार अभी घूम रहा हूँ।
और चिकन विकन बढ़िया था, पेट बाहर आ गया। अरे
थोड़ा
साफ तो कर लो, मुंह पे चिकन लग रहा है।
मुंडी हटाओ यार।
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
मैं कैसे आऊँगा?
मैं लूँगा, घुमाओ ट्रेन अगर बोलना आ गया सबसे पहले केवल चढ़ता था, केवल आ गया था बोरेली जाके आते कि काले से पकड़ लेते हम फिर कांदेरी में वो साझा बता नहीं मेरे वजह से बस्ती कर रहा हूँ मैं। अच्छा तू जाता 3 बजे ही तो तब तक अब क्या बनाएंगे आपको? सबसे तो बना रही है 3 बजे की बेटा बाकी 4-5 अभी अभी मूड आया तो जाता ट्रेन का बोलना हो भाई संदीप को बोल देता यार। और नाके ऐसा लग रहा था कि अब नींद ही नहीं आ रही है, आराम से लेटा अच्छी नींद आई। डायनासोर यहाँ है। चलो कैसा लग रहा है भाई ऊपर ट्रेन में बैठ? कैसा लग रहा है? जैसे लग रहा है इंटरसिटी में बैठ। ट्रेन का नहीं है वो, अपनी इंडिया को नेगलेक्ट कर रही है, कह रही है कि ऐसा पार्क आपने कहीं देखा है? मैं हाँ उदयपुर में दिखाता हूँ गुलाब बाग। ट्रेन में बैठ के पता कैसा लग रहा है ब्रो? माल आ गया स्टॉक ऑर्डर दे रहा। क्या हुआ
अरे फोन लगा लो उसको।
बॉस को नंबर बता। मेरा वो जमाने याद है।
भाभी
अरे अकेले भाभी का है।
रिकॉर्डिंग लिखा गया होगा।
इतनी तो बनी भी नहीं भैया अभी।
इनका बन गया।
हाँ मतलब वही।
Okay, now he is trying to focus over there. Look at him stretch his neck. Okay, ready, Balang? Now you need to use your wings and flap. That's it. Right up here. Here he comes. And oh, that's a really nice flight there, Balang. Okay, and ready. Oh, hang on. Look at who's making that flight down there. Do you see another owl over there? Yeah, well that is either a Malay fish owl, and there goes Balang onto that stump too. Anyway, let me go get the other owl to join us, okay? Now that's Tupa, our other Malay fish owl, ladies and gentlemen. And something very interesting about these birds, these two owls are actually brothers. They really are. Come over here to me now, Tupa. Yeah, and then Srish is going to help me with Balang so that we can get them to sit together up on that stump, okay? Alright, now you see Balang back there is 17 years old and Tupa over here, he is only 7 years old. That's right, it's quite an age gap, but if you put them together, let's get them together over there. You will see that they look just the same, okay? You want to hop on that stump? Good bird. And here's your brother to join you. Thank you, Srishu. You can put him up there now. Alright, okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to ask for another volunteer. We had a young boy earlier on. This time, I will need an adult. Okay, not many hands going up. No? How about a lady? Is that a brave lady? No? Where? Yeah, don't push their arms up, otherwise yeah, you may be forcing them to do this. Yes sir, you're with me. Well guess what? I've got a surprise for you, Margaret. Yeah, I can see how happy she is right now, huh? And Margaret, your surprise is about to join you. You're gonna remember this for a very long time. Okay, Sheila is gonna show you the way back in, okay? So come over here, Sheila. Yeah, you can follow her, alright? Right, this way, Sheila, come over here. Yeah, you have to bring Margaret in. This way, Sheila, right over there. Oh, I'm sorry, Margaret. Yes. And all the way inside until you see someone calling for you, okay? Yeah, and no, Sheila. Okay, you see, our birds just love being out here, and they really don't want to go back that much today, huh? Anyway, listen to the sounds in the background now, ladies and gentlemen. You hear that sound? Tupa. Did you hear that? Okay, one more time. Don't eat that. It's Tupa. I think Balang wants to say something too. Balang? Nice. And again from you, Balang. There you go. Alright, you want to say something again? That's Tupa. And Balang here. Alright, they are really going now, aren't they? So that's how they sound like. Loud screeching calls made by these owls. Interesting, isn't it, huh? Okay, now I'm going to be sending you back home too. Made his way and looks like he's got a really good grip over that rabbit. Yeah, no, wait, hang on. It's not a real rabbit. It's only a dummy bunny, so don't worry, okay? And it'll give you an idea of how these birds would actually go about catching their prey. You see, in the wild, they are also known to hunt in groups of 4 to 5, so they're known to be very sociable hunters. And they'll actually come in from different angles to corner their prey. And then no, it's right behind you, Miguel. This rock. No, hey, wait a minute. There you go. Okay, this time using his feet to overturn the rock, and he's found some food. Moving on to rock number 2. Hello, there you go. Yeah, 2 down and 1 more to go. Right, and isn't he a clever bird? How about we give him a big hand, huh? Well done, Miguel. Now, thank you. Now, these are all not tricks that we've taught him. What you started were to take off and fly away. Look at that! They can jump into the air to catch it. Can we see this one more time, Miguel? Hang on, I'm not ready yet. Right up here. Oh, that was a nice high jump. Good job. Okay, now how about another test for you, huh? Let me go get that for you, okay, Miguel? Yes, a little IQ test that we've prepared for Miguel, and here it is. In this bottle is a piece of meat attached to a very long string, ladies and gentlemen. Let's find out if Miguel is really smart enough to get this out. Here it comes. And oh, he is already pulling at that string, and as you can see, it's quite a long string. A little bit more to go. Yeah, he's got that piece of meat out. Hey, what a clever bird. Thank you. Coexist with other birds, and as well as some turkey vultures that are flying across all of you right now. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, here they are all once again, the Fuji Willowhawks. Thank you very much. Now, the people who helped make this show possible, we've got first in line, Evelyn right up there, in the other corner, that's Mas. Backstage right now, we've got TJ, Fred, Shrishi, Gunn, and of course not forgetting Fauzi with the music and the sound.